Oh, he's shy. Didn't want to come out. I'll take a pound. Very impolite to be run over. But at least I wouldn't feel it. It's Novocaine. Gotta check out the Donk. Few amps. Have enough speaker power down there?
I need to move my put a distribution box on it. I need to move it. It's too close to my exhaust.
Who's Monty?
Monty.
That is sweet. Did you build it?
Yes.
That is nice. What do you have under the hood? Tell me what you got.
5.3.
Very good.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little extra boost on there, I see.
Just a little bit.
Now, which is more powerful? Okay, your blown engine or your set of amps?
Not the engine. It's loud though.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Now tell me, when you open the trunk and crank it up, it gives you that extra pulse to go faster?
Nah. Nah, I don't think it works like that.
This is cool. Who did the paint?
It's a wrap.
Ah, okay. Very nice. Well done.
Thank you.
I got you coming in. Looks good.
Thank
Looks
you.
real good.
Thank you, thank you.
You got it. Have a car show calendar.
All right, thank you.
I love these things. These are so cool. And everyone says, "Yeah, what's the size of the tires?" These are 275, 25, 24s. Literally rubber bands. Thick rubber bands, but rubber bands. You need it for a car like that. That is sweet.
Special plate.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a thing, a special plate that gives it a number.
Correct.
But it's got a car number from the factory, from the kit car company.
Okay.
It's just 490 because that's the 490th frame they made.
What company is this?
DF Goblin. The DF is Doyle Fabrication,
Okay.
and it's called a Goblin. So it's a DF Goblin.
That is cool. That's nice the way how the engine sits back of the drive shaft. I like that.
Yep.
That's excellent.
Chevy Cobalt engine and subframe.
That is so cool. That is so cool.
Paint looks really nice in the sunlight, but I don't know if we're going to get much of that today.
Don't complain. At least it's not raining.
I know. I wanted to go to two of them here today, and I was like, man, it's going to rain here on Sunday. Yesterday was beautiful.
Yeah.
But
Hey, that's right.
it's nice today.
We got out. This is cool. Did you build it?
Yeah.
That is amazing. How long did it take you to build?
It took me about 5-6 months to build it. And it
That's
took
not
about
bad.
4 months to get paperwork done. Back and forth with the state.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
but it's
A
legal.
what? A who?
Insured and legal.
Good. That's great. That is great.
Thank
This
you.
is cool. This is cool.
Yeah, it's a fun car.
Oh yeah. You'll love that sight then. All that noise from the Cadillac, how undignified. I always love the coupe and the wagon. And it's a bit look at a couple of these trucks. The bikes are coming in. Not a great day for bikes, but what the hey.